Now, I don't know what's going on here. Who in the heck just leaves the dang door open? Especially, I see lightning and stuff out in the distance. Look at the purple sky. Absolutely beautiful morning. But look at this sucker. How the heck are you just going to leave your door wide open, bruh? You're going to be mad when you get your camper all soaked. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back or to the channel. It is very early in the morning today and we are jumping right into it. First things first, guys, I do have a poll live on the channel. I am looking for some feedback on the videos. Always trying to continuously improve our product here and being as involved with you guys as we can. So please go to the community tab and vote. And that is simply around the intros. Do I do the little slow motion, sped up with music type of intros, or do I just dive right into the content, start talking and showing you guys what it's all about? I have some mixed feelings. Maybe we do it in some videos and not others. Just put some feedback in there for me so I know what you guys want to see in the videos to keep you guys engaged. So that's going on. Number two, the second thing, and maybe it's on the thumbnail today, but last week Ovi took a plane down. You guys know Ovi's a pilot. He's actually now certified to fly on his own. So he's been doing solo flights. Went down with a buddy to Tennessee in the mountains and rented a cabin for the night, and then got some super cool GoPro footage from the flight. So I want to show you guys that because I think it's super epic. So let's cut right into that and show you guys that first. All right, so there's that, guys. Number two, I don't know where it is. Oh, jet ski back there. Got that sucker out on the river last weekend. It was like 85 here. Took that thing out, absolutely ripped, supercharged. He had it up to like 70. It was absolutely crazy, super ripping. Didn't get any footage from that, but that thing is live. Another thing, if you come over to the table here, guys, this is the Overtime Diesel shirts that Ovi already had made down at the shop. Now mine's in a cutoff form. I don't like sleeves at all. There's the front little logo. Should we bring these to the online merch site? Ovi's got the files he can send me. We can upload that as something, if that's something you guys want, instead of like our collaboration logo shirts that we got here. Those are obviously on the site. Not trying to just go for your guys' money, but if you do want to support us in any way, we're not trying to make $1 million off of merch, but just to have our name out there, our brands out there, is something that I think is important. So we're doing that. Another thing that's going on, you'll see the GoPros here. This is Ovi, this is mine. The guys are getting ready to go down to the Ozarks for the long weekend here to go to the ATV park. I believe it's 24 hours down there. So I actually been putting in a lot of work in the shop this week to get the razors ready, the trailer ready. The white trailer's outside, the razors are outside. It's pitch black out there. It's super early. It's like 4:30. Trying to wait for it to lighten up a little bit outside so I can show you guys what's going on, because clearly the shop's got a ton of space right now. So that means a lot of projects are going on and getting done. So that's a good thing. And then another thing going on with the black Denali race truck. Actually, if you guys seen the previous videos where we were talking about that ABS module, I did have a company see the video and reach out. They said they had one. Super cool. That's why I like the positive side of social media, when people actually try to help out and not just spit on your name or whatever they do, haters out there. But somebody did find that part. Unfortunately, it's connected to the pump itself, so it was like double the price, like $800 or $900. So gonna hold out for now and see if we can go another route. Ovi said if we can get that sucker trailer down to overtime, he will have more time to work on it. So maybe in the next video, you'll see that truck getting loaded up and taken down to overtime. I want to get that wiring module stuff figured out so we can rip. So I know that's been a long, drawn out process. Had that truck since, what, around Christmas or New Year's, driven it once, and then it's just been in the rehabilitation process, whatever you want to call it, but it's close. Every day a little bit closer. So anyways, that's what's going on with the black truck. Just a ton of stuff. Ovi's been cleaning out some inventory down at the shop, some of his old vehicles, project vehicles, things he don't need. So you guys probably seen on my stories and whatnot, the 7.3 has gone down the road. That sucker was sold full asking price, no questions, no bargaining. Actually, I want to say there was like 200 or 300 emails or whatever they are, messages on Messenger about getting that truck. Somebody was dying to have that truck. I told Ovi, he's like, you think I could get $3 grand out of that sucker? I said, dude, you could probably easily get 10 out of that thing. So he put it on there for 6 and that sucker went. But there are a couple more trucks down there. Maybe we can show you. We've hinted at them before, but maybe we can take a look at those in the next video too. Just a lot going on. Trying to get as much footage as we can and show you guys everything that's going on, because you guys are so loving and supportive. So yeah. That's that. Now, I don't know what's going on here. Who in the heck just leaves the dang door open? Especially, I see lightning and stuff out in the distance. Look at the purple sky. Absolutely beautiful morning. But look at this sucker. How the heck are you just going to leave your door wide open, bruh? You're going to be mad when you get your camper all soaked. Let's go over and see, guys, if we can see over here. And look at the outdoor setup here. Look at how crazy this is going to be. Ovi's been hard at work getting this fire pit ready to go. And look at how his bench is turning out with all the boards. The cushions are super expensive. I don't know if you guys have bought outdoor furniture or not, but those things are super expensive. Look at how well the corner turned out. Nice little fire deal going on there. I don't know if that's a fountain. That must be a fountain in the back. Sorry guys, I know it's kind of dark out here this morning, but I don't want to get late to work. But look at how epic the outdoor patio arrangement is coming along. Super crazy. Obviously the gazebo going in with the hot tub, the TV that we covered in the last video. But this setup, guys, Absolutely epic. Freaking love it. Again, the mornings just hit different out at the shop. Just look absolutely incredible. Trucks out here. Like I said, we're going to get that sucker down to the shop in the next video, hopefully. Trying to get this so you guys can see what's going on out here. The car trailer is loaded up for the Ozarks this weekend. You can see 1, 2, 3. Easily can get another one on there if need be. Not sure how many people are going on this trip, but Ovi got his razor put back together. You can see the wheel is back on the front, so that's good to go. The other side, the other rear tire should be good. But look at how heavy the trailer looks. It just looks so sick loaded up like this, guys. I'm surprised how good this camera does in low light, this ZV-1. This is epic, but hopefully it looks good on the TV. But look, guys, loaded to the gills. 1, 2, 3. All them suckers on there. And with plenty of room to spare on the back. So who else wants to go? Got room for another one. Gosh, that storm. I can see it coming in, fellas. And then the white, oh yeah, look at that lightning, boy. Got that lightning. Where's lightning? The truck. Lightning outside, lightning on the truck. But the white trailer is so close to get ready to go. It just didn't quite make it for this trip. Still got to get the rubberized coating on top of the wood. Got some wiring. You can see Ovi's got it opened up. He's been working on the wiring for this sucker as well. And getting it registered, getting the plates up to date. Guess how much that freaking cost? That was $427 to get this trailer, paying all the registration and whatnot to get this sucker up. But that seems super high for a trailer when a truck's only like, what, 150, 170? I don't really know, but yeah, let's get that sucker in there before it rains, boy. Try to take care of some of this stuff. What would he have done if I didn't get out here and close that door? I've been soaking wet. But anyways, back to the razors. Everybody excited? I'm excited. I like seeing what the guys get on the GoPro when I'm not around. It's super fun, entertaining. You never know what you're gonna get. So that video is coming as well, obviously. Just trying to get a lot of stuff done, a lot of projects, a lot of trips, and just have a super fun summer. All right, well, I guess I need to get to work so I'm not late. Don't get in trouble at work. YouTube does not pay my bills by any means. This is just fun on the channel, having fun with you guys, interacting and getting stuff done. So if you do want to support us, there's many ways to do that, but just stick around. Go take that poll so we guys know how you want these videos delivered to you. And yeah, plenty more coming, guys. We'll see y'all in the next one, okay?